Hey guys, Gina back with another collections video, and today we are going to be talking about blow molds. Yes, those plastic light up decorations you see for the holidays out in people's lawns. I love these things so much. They always fill my heart with so much joy every time I'm driving and the holidays are coming around and you see them lit up on people's porches. It's just the best. And I've been learning as I've been collecting that there are all sorts of them. There's small ones, there's large ones, and every size and shape and character in between. The first one I want to show you guys is my very first one that I got. Now, I didn't grow up with these, and my family didn't have them, but I've always admired them and loved them. And one time when I was visiting my dad in Iowa, we went to an antique mall and I saw this guy for $7. So I knew I had to take him home with me. It was just trying to stuff him in my suitcase that was kind of an issue. But he made it and he's all good and well. This guy is actually made from the Empire Company. You can see inside there, and he is from 1969, and it's the Empire Plastic Group. And he's made in the USA. He's a little faded, but you know what? I love him, and he's my first one that I ever collected, so he's got a special place in my heart. This guy was in another one of my videos, and he was actually hanging out in someone's garage, and I asked the lady if it was for sale along with some other things, and she said, "It's not, but if you would like it, I'll sell it to you." So of course I said, yes, I would love this so much. And this little ghost right here came home with me. This one is from the unknown. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not sure where this one is from, but I think it's late 80s, early 90s. You guys ever feel like you just attract certain things to you, and no matter where you go, you're always gonna find that one thing, even though you wanna find other things? Well, that is the deal with this guy. I can't even tell you how many times I've run across these in my travels. I love them. They're adorable. You can stick them anywhere because they're just small enough. And I have these ones in every kind of color you can imagine. Some of them are double-sided. Some of them have a hole. And they also make them in this size. Look at how big this pumpkin is. And what's cool is he's flat. So you can stick them on the wall, you can stick them on a shelf, you can stick them in the window. This is so great. And he'll set, because he's got the little feet right there, his plug is in the back. And I'm not sure, let's see, this one is unmarked too. I know that a lot of them say Blinky, so maybe this is from the Blinky company. There's this one, and he's got a different face. He's got triangles. And this one says 1992 TPI. So this one is from a different company. It's a little dusty. But I have two of these, one of those guys, and a bunch of little small pumpkins, and I'm excited to decorate with them this year. And then we have this little guy. He's new to me this year. A friend of ours gave us a huge lot of Halloween decorations, and he was in the bottom of one of the tubs. And this is from 1995 Empire Company. He is actually a light cover. So if you have a solar light or a yard light or something, you can actually stick it on top of there and he will glow for you. And there's a couple different ones of these. I haven't come across them yet, but I'm looking forward to that. There's a pumpkin with a hat that is super cute I'd like to find. But yeah, you can definitely check out that video. I'll put the link right there for you guys if you're interested in checking that out. It was a huge haul, and then my little son, he made a huge haunted house out of everything. It was awesome. It was super fun. This guy is my newest one. I cheated and I ordered him off of eBay. Now you guys, I normally don't do that because I love to find things out in the wild, but he was so vibrant and so beautiful and the price was just right that I said, no, I'm gonna cheat this time and I'm gonna order off of eBay because it was too good to pass up. And I mean, compared to some of these other ones, I don't know if he was indoors or if he's just new, but I thought this was vibrant, but when this came, I was like, oh man, this is beautiful. So this one, I'm not sure where this one's from, but it's great. It's just a little scarecrow pumpkin. So cute. And I lit him up last night. He was beautiful. Haven't been having too much luck at our local thrift stores, our Goodwill specifically, for Halloween stuff. I have been finding old trick-or-treat pails and buckets, but as far as anything else goes, it just doesn't seem like people are donating Halloween stuff. And I mean, that's okay, but it's kind of disappointing when you go. But when you do find something, it just makes it all the more exciting because you're like, ha, I finally found something. You guys, I found a brand new box. Oh, it's backwards, hang on. I found a brand new box of pumpkin yard light stakes. Oh, you guys, I was so excited to find this. I'm not sure the date on it, and I'm sorry, these blow molds, they're having a hard time with me for finding dates, but they were brand new in the box. The light still has all the bubble wrap around all of the things. You can take them off, you can put them on stakes. I may end up lining them and doing something with them. I'm probably not gonna put them in the yard, but they are fantastic. So that was super exciting to find, and it was brand new. What are the chances? So cool, right? And there's the box. The box is even awesome. Gives you a little display right there. A little example of how you can do that too. Now, I'm not sure if she is a blow mold. She is plastic and she is gorgeous and her eyes light up, but we're gonna throw her in the blow mold mix as well. But check her out. She's got a little bit of paint peeling, but that's okay. I love her colors, purple and the green, kind of this yellow orange. She's got patches. She is fantastic. Now, once upon a time, she did stand up on a yard stake, but now she hangs on my wall. She is way cool. She's not marked again. But I love her so much. And those eyes are so cool because they're random. I was so excited that this still worked too. Because this was just like a curb find, I think. This next guy is huge! This is way bigger than I ever thought this blow mold would be. I found him on Craigslist and I went and picked him up one morning, and when I got to the house and I saw how big he was, I was just astonished. He's definitely huge, just like Frankenstein. He is fantastic. Look at that face and those hands. He is beautiful. And I love his purple shirt. And his feet down there, they're kind of dusty. Sorry. But let's see. He can't even fit on camera. He's so big. I don't know. The cord is moving and shaking in there. But he is fantastic, isn't he? He's just so great. Urgh. This totem I found at a garage sale. That rarely happens to me where I find blow molds at a garage sale. I'm just either late to the party or, you know, people, I don't know, they just snag them up online, or they see them and they go and they say, okay, I'm gonna get this, because they know that if you get them at a yard sale, you're gonna get them way cheaper than you are if you're gonna get them online. And that's good because they go for a pretty penny. And this one is just so awesome. This one is a Dawn Featherstone, and those ones are kind of the holy grail, if you will, of blow molds to acquire. Now this one is a little bit more common, but there are some really awesome Dawn Featherstone blow molds. And if you have one, comment below, let me know which one you have. I would really love to get the totem that's got the cat and the ghost and the skull and the pumpkin. Someone was selling one online not too long ago in my area, and I really wanted to get it, but it was a little more than I wanted to pay. It's hard when you go to yard sales, because then it's like, oh, do I want to drop that much money? Because then I could save it for something else. But then are you going to come across it again for a long time? I don't know. It's always something you have to jump on it though, either way. So if you're going to get it, gotta get it. And this guy has 2 plugs in the back. 1, 2, and if you live in a rainy place, they even drain the water. It's pretty cool. I love this guy so much. I wonder what year this one was. Does it say? 1994. There you go. Just been chilling, waiting for me to get him someday. Where have you been all my life? And last but not least, if you thought the Frankenstein was big, this ghost is just a tad bit bigger. And I think it's because of his cute little top. His little ghost head right there. Look at this guy sitting on a pumpkin. This blow mold is huge. It is huge. Now this one says Empire Company. There is no date, but I'm thinking this is from the 80s or 90s as well. Probably most likely 90s. But he's here now, and he's sitting on my mantle in my fireplace for this season, huh? Yeah, you're gonna stay inside with me. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this blow mold video. I've got more pick or treat videos out there and also some new ones to come soon. So if you guys want to go ahead and click that subscribe button, I'd love for you to become part of our Hollywood Haunter family. And don't forget to click the notification bell if you want to be notified when the new videos are coming out. And everyone else, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.